What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stockfish on chess.com. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in chess.com. After that, you will see the first official website of chess.com or you will be directly welcome to the dashboard of chess.com. Now on your left side, as you can see, here are two options, login and sign up. So if you are new to chess.com, just simply click on sign up and sign up with your email and password. But if you previously have an account on chess.com, just simply log in with that account on chess.com. So after logging in or signing up, for analysis of your game, Stockfish is used to analyze your game data and then give you suggestion based on that. So first off, on your left side, click on More. Here you will see multiple options, but a shorter way to go is click on Learn. After hovering to Learn, click on Analysis. And then after choosing analysis, you can upload your game file or you can just start your game from here and it will watch your moves and then will give the analysis result based on that. So this is how you can use Stockfish on chess.com. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.